So for me, what the approach that I like to take is setting this intention for the year. And now there's a lot of times this idea of like a word of the year, right? So I like to set a word of the year, but my word of the year is more of like a feeling or an intention. So I've had words
Mhm,
like ease, I've used words like abundance. This year was energy. Going into 2024, vibrant is the word that keeps coming to mind. Like, I want to feel vibrant in my heart. I want to feel vibrant in my
mhm,
mind. I want to feel vibrant in my body, right? In my
mhm,
relationships, in my community. Like, vibrant is the word that really resonates with me. And so, what I like to do is to take this idea of a word of the year or a feeling, an intention, because we connect more deeply with feelings. And so vibrant is the feeling that I'm going for. And then when I set a goal with soul, I wanted to tie back to that intention. So if I'm setting a goal for myself, like I really want to run my first postpartum half marathon. I haven't run a half. I've run like many, many races in the past. I'm not fast. I'm like the tortoise and the tortoise and the hare, but I love the process of training for a run and the person I get to become throughout that training process. And so, like, if that's one of my goals, I have to make sure, though, that that ties back to feeling vibrant. And so for me, I do feel vibrant. I feel energized. I feel abundant when I'm running. And so that's an alignment for me. That's a goal with soul. But the biggest thing is that these goals, they have to be important to you personally. They can't be what your best friend wants for you or what your sister wants for you or your parents, super well meaning intentions that others might have for you. But it has to be important to you. Sometimes I think a goal with soul doesn't have to be huge, right? It can be like a daily journaling practice because that feels really good for you and maybe your
mhm.
word of the year is calm or centered or balanced, right? And journaling supports that. But this idea of a goal doesn't have to be something you're going to achieve. It can be more about the way that you want to feel and how you can take small, consistent action to layer that feeling into your day-to-day life because your life is right now. So how can we really layer that feeling? For me, how can I layer that feeling of vibrancy into my day? And for you, it could be whatever word resonates with you.